I'm recording these videos for those who are interested in flying a small GA aircraft or like a general aviation aircraft, just as a curiosity. Give those people some ideas what's a small aircraft, how they fly, how they land into some challenging conditions. So it's not really technical, it's just a general idea. And if you ask about if you have questions about safety, I always carry radio.
Traffic Foxtrot, Papa Lima's rolling 15426.
Yeah, some crosswind. But it's not too bad. Earlier it was about 10-15 knots crosswind, was really challenging about 3 hours ago.
Swamish traffic, 172 Golf Whiskey Kilo, Charlie is taxiing to hold short on Alpha, northwestbound departure climbing 6,500.
That's a low wing aircraft.
Let's go, traffic Foxtrot, Papa Lima's turning final for runway 15.
That was the one that took off earlier. He is climbing to 6,000 feet, probably goes for a tour, like showing glaciers to their passengers.